Alright guys, we're at 6650 East Center Road in beautiful Berry County. This property is offered at $324,900. We'll check out the inside here, and then we'll do a quick little overview of the outside and the barns. But do know this is just over 25 acres. About half of which is tillable, several hundred feet of frontage on Mud Creek, and just a great Berry County property. Let's check it out. We're inside the front entry of the home. Nice little mudroom here. And then panning around, you'll walk right into a really nice dining area with very nice hardwood floors. And then right over into a very large kitchen. Nice counters, cupboards. There is a side or a rear door here that does go out onto a nice little deck. Put your grill out there. Easy access to the kitchen when you're grilling. A nice little side closet. And then a very nice half bath here. If you're wondering what that water spigot is, it's for animals. So you can easily fill an animal's water bowl there. Let's quickly pan around. Again, walking into the dining. And then over into the nice large living room here. Nice slider. There is a nice little stove hook up there for either a wood stove or pellet stove. And again, you'll walk up here into a very nice laundry, ceramic tile floors, hardwood doors, and then into a nice full bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Again, let's pop around here. There's a nice little den, office, or potentially a bedroom. Nice hardwood floors. Again, coming back through, nice view of the living room. And then you do come into a bedroom. Actually, two bedrooms, kind of a Jack and Jill setup. Again, nice closet there. And another nice bedroom. Heading upstairs to the second level. This entire level is a master suite. So you've got a nice storage area here for your clothing. Put a couple dressers. And then a very nice full bath. Nice tile floors. Very nice tiled shower. Vanity there. And then again, walking into your master bedroom. Nice hardwood floors. Nice storage here. Heading downstairs, this house actually sits on a walkout basement. So you've got your French door there. And a nice little sitting area here. And that is a little gas fireplace. Cement floors in this room, and then drywall on the walls and ceiling. Very nice wet bar. Really cool setup here. Obviously supporting the local cause. And I won't go in this door, but that does go under the old portion of the home, which has the furnace, water heater, breaker panel, utilities, and additional storage. So really nice updates here to this classic Berry County farm home. So coming outside of the home here, you've got a nice 2-stall garage. You've got a long animal barn, storage barn, whatever your heart's desire is there. You've got a massive pole building, dirt floor, does have electric. You've got a corn crib, if you can see it from the lighting here, and then an older hip roof barn there. And that hip roof barn does have kind of an attachment to it on the back, you can see there. If you have questions on measurements of these buildings, I do have all of those measurements. And then again, walking just a little bit of the property here. This is the tillable field. And this property sits on the corner of Center Road and Barger Road. And then just after that tree line that you can see back there does start the creek frontage. And let's quickly head over here and check out a little bit more of the property. And you can't quite see it from this video, but the property line does go over to just about that propane tank you see over there. So this tall kind of a prairie grass area is part of the property. Let's kind of spin you around here. Check out the back side of the home. Nice place. Any other questions, obviously reach out to us and we'll get those to you.